These all have a base of what? 7. These are all exponents with a base of 7. So what am I gonna? How can I figure out this one compared to this? How can I make this thing comparable to those other things? What do you think? Genesis?
49 is 7 to the second power.
49 is 7 to the second power. Huh. So is this 7 to the second power? Oh, this is 1 over 7 to the second power. Snaps, do you agree with that? Alright. So what is this? If this was 7 to the something power, what is that something? What is that something? What is that something? This is the thing you have to figure out. Jocelyn? Yeah. Agree with that? Alright. Yeah, that's 7 to the negative second power, right? We have the reciprocal of the fraction. So, you said that that is the same as that? Go back to what you said the other day. You think that this is the same as that? Was that? It's not. So you kind of like solve that logic yourself. Okay. This is not equivalent, right? So this is actually the one we're looking for. Yeah? Let's prove though that the other ones are equivalent. What do we think? Let's prove that the other ones are equivalent. Jeffrey, read it.
For C,
yeah,
you're supposed to add the exponents.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be negative 2 plus 0, and it's gonna stay at 7, negative 2. And then you change it. You find the reciprocal of it because it can't stay as a negative exponent. So I put 1 over 7, and then 2. I mean to the second power.
Okay.
And then I put 1 over 49.
49. Okay. 2 cents for that, please. Very nice. All right. So this one is no good. Which one is also equivalent? Which one is also equivalent? Okay. Adonis, which one? B. What? This would be 7 to the negative 7. 2 cents for Adonis, please. Very nice. What property are you all using in these two? Product property. Okay. And then the first one, I think we don't even need to talk about. 9 minus 11 is negative 2. This will be 7 to the negative 2. All right. Look, when those of you who finished early, I'm always going to ask you this, right? Don't just choose the right answer. All right. Look at each of the wrong answers and make sure you can prove why each of them is wrong. Right. Use that reasoning to prove that. Logic rules. Yes, Al?
Equals 7 to the negative first plus 1 equals 7 to the second power.
Is that a blunder? Yes, it is. Sorry, folks. Thank you. Love the attention to precision there, right? Right here should not be negative 1. I love this about that. It should be negative 1 minus 1 equals 7 to the thinking. What mistake does the kid who's picking 2 thinking? What mistake does that kid make? Jamila? Not just 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is what, everybody? 2, right? You also have to use what property with the powers of 10? Quotient property, right? Which will give me 2 times 10 to the what? 2 times 10 to the second. What's 10 to the second, everybody? 100. So it's how many times larger? 200. It's 200 times larger. This is 200 times larger than that. Yes? Questions? This is 200 times larger. How do we notice that to actually use city B in the numerator instead of city A? How do we know that? Ezra?
Because you're asking how many times larger is city B population than city A population.
Exactly.